Google releases new Search Console insights to understand how your content is performing online. Instagram releases Reels ads worldwide. Oculus team from Facebook says they have started testing advertisements inside VR headsets. Very interesting. All this and much more coming up in this week's edition of the Connected Church News. Welcome, I'm Nachi Lazarus, and this is the show that brings you the top 5 digital and social media news each week in less than 5 minutes. Let's get started. Our first big news is from Facebook, and it's about Facebook groups. Last week, there was an announcement from Facebook that they are bringing more admin tools into Facebook groups to make moderation easier. So I know many of you listening to me, churches and ministries, use Facebook groups actively for building your online community. So here are some tools that could make your life easier. First of all, comment moderation. You can moderate comments much better than you used to. You can even limit the number of times people comment on a particular post within a given time frame. You can also use a tool called Conflict Alert, which will alert you if there is a potential conflicting situation within a particular post and people are having conversations that might lead to a conflict. So very useful in many ministry situations. They use artificial intelligence to make this happen. There are also tools which have been added to the dashboard admin home section, where you see very useful information presented to you in a much better way. So Facebook seems to be working in the background to make groups easier. Hi, have you subscribed to our channel yet? If you've not done so, I highly recommend that you consider subscribing so that you do not miss any news episodes. You also click that bell notification so that you can be notified every Friday when we upload this weekly news bulletin. Thank you. Now let's get back to our news item. Our next news is from Spotify. Last week we had two major announcements from Spotify. One is about a product called Green Room, which was released. Spotify Green Room is a live audio chat facility that is getting built inside Spotify. Does that sound like Clubhouse? Because that is what it is. It is another competitor to Clubhouse. And the interesting thing is you can have an live audio conversation on Spotify Green Room and then have an option to convert that into a podcast on Spotify right there. So very interesting the way Spotify is moving into this space with a unique offering of giving convenience of converting something into a podcast. The other news related to podcast is Spotify's acquisition of a tool called Pods, which is aimed to bring machine learning and make the podcast discovery process better. So if you search for podcasts on Spotify, it's already very good, but now they're making that even better with this acquisition. They say that this is the best and most personalized tool for podcast discovery. Our next news is from Instagram, and it's a big one related to Reels. Instagram has announced that Reels ads are now available worldwide. They have been testing this in select countries and now they've rolled it globally. And these are 30-second vertical ads, just like Stories ads. And Instagram says that this will appear in feed, in the Reels section, obviously, in between the other Reels, it will start appearing, and in the Explore section and Reels in Stories. These are the various placements, and Instagram says that as with regular Reels content, these ads will loop and can be up to 30 seconds. So if you are looking for another additional placement option for your ministry advertising, then Reels ads are a good option to look at. Our next news is from Google. Google has announced the release of a new tool called Search Console Insights. Now, according to me, this is one of the most important tools for any content creator out there. And I know you as a church or ministry are creating a lot of content, and we all have questions about content. Which content is performing? How is it performing? And all that, right? Now, with this new tool, it is easier for you to find answers to those questions, because this tool combines both Search Console and Google Analytics, and it combines and gives you a presence to you all the information related to these questions. Here is what the announcement says. It says here are some sample questions that this experience, the Google Search Console Insight experience, will help you answer. What is your best performing content? Which pieces of content are trending? How are your new pieces of content performing? How do people discover your content? How do people search for on Google before they visit your content? Which article refers users to your website and content? How valuable are these information? So big news from Google, definitely you might want to check out so that you understand which content is performing for you. Our final news of this week is an interesting one about virtual reality and advertising. Oculus team, which is Facebook Reality Labs team, has now announced that they are testing advertisements inside VR headsets. So advertisements are getting closer and closer to your head, So now it's the closest near your eyes using the VR headsets, and they say that this is a way in which they are helping the developers of VR games and other applications earn additional revenue. And Facebook says that the advertisements inside VR headset that they're testing are going to be governed by Facebook's advertising policy, which they already have. Those are the top 5 news items we have for you this week. Do you have any questions related to any of them? Then please leave your comment in the comment section and we will come back to you. Thank you so much. I'll see you next week with another set of news items. God bless you. Stay connected. Stay blessed. Bye-bye.